Good evening. Today is April 3rd, 2025. It has been a brutal day in the market with I think Dow had lost like 1600 points, Nasdaq, S&P, everything were on a free fall after Trump announced tariffs. It's easy to brush up and say, okay, everything is falling, but let us see where the likely support is going to be and what we can do about it next. Since the worst of the moves happened in Nasdaq, let me take Nasdaq example and let us see where we are. So I have QQQ and this is the daily chart, 1 year, I think it's 1 year, yeah, 1 year chart, and you can notice that it has fallen off precipitously from below its 200-day moving average and well below the 50, and 50 is likely to cross the 200-day moving average in next couple of days. So we know market is bearish. So let us dig little more deeper and see where we can go next. Let me draw a fib chart of the last 1 year at a drawing and see where the next likely stop loss going to be. It has broken 461 sizably. So the next one it can go and probably have some sort of support, could be $442, which is still about $8 below where we are right now. So it can drop, and my experience is usually 23 fib is a good support and prime candidate for a bounce in a normal market. But again, this is a tariff induced binary market, so we are not sure if it can hold, but that's a battle to be decided on some other day. For now, assume that we can expect to go to 442, but that is still a day-to-day responsibility. So let us look in a slightly longer time frame. So assuming that this is not just a drop because of tariff and the economy slows down and the stock market is in a prolonged correction, let's see where it can go next. So this is actually a plot, a weekly chart, and let me take the COVID low as a example to start with. So this is March 2020, and let me draw a fib level between the top and bottom. And if you notice, we just broke the 78 fib, and trust me, it can even go quite a long number to say. Let's say the next one is 396, 350, and so on and so forth. So but you can expect some more pain to go along. So you can short the market, but there are some caveats that I want to discuss now. I know there are a lot of people who say, oh, this market is thing great time to short, but the problem is the volatility is also high, and what will happen is everyone knows the market is going to go down, so everyone is on the put side of the options, making the option premium really expensive. That means you cannot straight away buy something and hope that you're going to make money. So be careful trading options. Just don't blindly buy all these options and hope that you're going to make money, because the premium of an option has already gone up, and that means making money in options is progressively will get difficult to the downside. And again, you're going to pay a lot, and then if there is some Trump news where he says I'm withdrawing the tariff or something, you can have a short covering rally. So be prepared for that scenario as well. So let me pick up some of the stocks that came up in a scan, which seems to be really weak and can help you make some money. First was BIIB. I think it's a biotech stock that has fallen off the cliff and is having a nasty downside move as well. And weekly is continuing to say the same thing, and so this could be a good candidate to short. And I noticed it had a good selling tail, but I would have been happy had it broken the yesterday's low. So this could be one of those candidates that you can trade and hope that even in you will make some money. Similarly, other stock that come in my scan was Google. That also seems to be really weak. And CRUS, I don't know, CRUS. I don't know what this company does. I'm going to put that in that our chat. But here is another one that also is falling. Bad win. AGCO, few other things. Okay, but if you are trading a short stocks, if you are naked a short put, just be careful and just take the profits out. Don't let it, when if the reversal is there, because it's now extremely oversold on a very short time frame, be prepared to get out with good profits. Good luck to you. Bye.